Are you ready to take your career to the next level, to master the technology that is shaping the future of construction and real estate project worldwide? I am Chika Okrocha, a GNSS professional with over 14 years experience, and I introduce to you the Certified GNSS Professional Workshop, a 2-day intensive workshop that will transform you into a global expert in GNSS positioning. Global Navigation Satellite System is changing the way we navigate, measure, and map the world with its application in construction and real estate projects. But to truly harness its power, you need the right training and certifications. Join us in Lagos, Abuja, and Enugu for an immersive workshop that covers everything from the basics of GNSS to advanced techniques in real-time kinematic positioning, site calibration, augmented reality with its application in construction and real estate projects. Imagine how to optimize GNSS receiver and technology with international online positioning service in designing your own local coordinate system for precise positioning in your project sites. Whether you're in surveying, construction, real estate, oil and gas, and the GIS industry, this workshop will equip you with a tool to streamline your workflow and optimize your project design implementation, making you stand out in your field. Are you ready to become a certified GNSS professional? Learn more below and let's navigate the future together.